Hi. Before starting today's video, we want to tell you that Jarvis dashboard and Jarvis extension works same on Daraz Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal and Sri Lanka. Lazada Indonesia, Vietnam, Malaysia, Thailand, Singapore, the Philippines, and Shop Myanmar. So, we will show you tutorial at Daraz Pakistan. You can do the same process, as per your selling market. Before starting today's video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon for latest updates. Let's start today's video. Go to website Daraz or Lazada or Shop, and search for product. Here you can see some numbers with keywords. Actually, these numbers are keyword score against these keywords. Keyword score refers to popularity of that particular keyword. It shows how well a keyword is performing on this marketplace. You can pick strong keyword against your product. Select your keyword and click here. Or press enter from keyboard. Here are the search results. Before launching the extension, here is the pro tip for you guys. First, filter your results according to your need, like category, brand, service, location, price, rating, are common in all markets, but Lazada and Shop have more filter options as you can see here. So, filter your results and now launch extension. Here are two methods to launch the extension. First, you can click at extension here. And second method is press shortcut keys, Ctrl+J, and extension will be launched. In extension search results you will see 40 listings selected. You can select as per your choice. Here you can see total listings, average price, average rating, average reviews, total questions, total official stores, average sales in units per month, and average revenue per month. This data will vary as per your selection of listings. If you know the wholesale price of this product, then enter here the product sourcing or wholesale price plus packing or flyer cost and if any miscellaneous cost. And enter the marketplace commission rate. And click at calculate. You will get profit percentage and ROI. Here as you can see profit per unit and profit per month. And if you are interested to launch that product, then here is the launch budget. Inventory for 3 months. Giveaways for 10 days to rank your product on top position. And this is the total budget you need to launch this product. This feature is very important for product hunting. Hope you have learned how to use Jarvis extension on search page. If you have any question or any doubts in mind, don't hesitate and comment us below or email us at support@jarvis.pk. Our support team is always here to help you out. In next video we will see how Jarvis extension runs on single listing. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. See you in next video, take care.